Found GWI files on your system related to SharePoint or Groove. These are workspace data files from Microsoft's collaboration platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these SharePoint Workspace data files contain and how to manage them. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful GWI file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. GWI files are workspace data files associated with Microsoft SharePoint. Workspace, formerly Microsoft Office Groove, a peer-to-peer collaboration application. They contain synchronized workspace data, including shared documents, discussion threads, calendars, and project information replicated between team members' local devices for offline access. SharePoint Workspace. GWI files use a proprietary format storing encrypted and synchronized workspace content with conflict resolution metadata, version tracking, and peer identity information. The data files maintain local copies of shared workspace content, enabling offline editing with automatic synchronization when connectivity is restored. Microsoft SharePoint Workspace is the standard set by Microsoft Corporation for accessing the GWI format. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows displays only general characteristics, while True Access requires specialized programs. We're testing the system's ability to interpret the file's data block. Right-click the GWI file and click Open With. Test Microsoft SharePoint Workspace first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The correct tool is key. If the GWI file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, understanding GWI files. GWI files are managed automatically by SharePoint Workspace and do not require manual interaction. They reside in the application's data directory and are updated through peer-to-peer synchronization. The files contain your local copy of shared workspace content and should not be edited or deleted while the application is active. Next, troubleshooting sync issues. If SharePoint Workspace reports synchronization problems with workspace data, check network connectivity and verify that all workspace members are running compatible software versions. Reset the workspace synchronization by leaving and rejoining the workspace if data conflicts cannot be automatically resolved by the application. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Microsoft has transitioned from SharePoint Workspace to OneDrive and SharePoint Online for collaboration. Export important documents and data from SharePoint Workspace to standard formats before migrating. Upload extracted content to SharePoint Online or Teams for continued collaboration using Microsoft's current platform. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.